guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SoundBot SB 525. Now I know what you're saying to yourself, this looks a lot like this JBL Charge 2, right? But guess what? This is not even a real JBL Charge. This is a replica. I've done a couple videos on this speaker on my channel already where I disassembled all of it and attempted to seal the unit. Let me even show you here. So this is probably the worst speaker I've ever had, but you know what? It's attempting to copy the JBL Charge 2. Could also be the Charge 2 Plus. But this particular one is also in fact doing the same exact thing. It is the same formula. You have two powered speakers in the front here and two passive radiators on the side. This could also be used as a charge bank, and it has a 4,000 milliamp hour capacity. Claimed to have a 12-hour playback time. Now keep in mind the real JBL Charge 2 has a slightly larger battery capacity of 6,000 milliamp hours. But you know what? I've never depleted the battery on this one. I cannot charge it for months and it still plays just fine. I've actually come to love this speaker. It's become one of my favorites. It has a good amount of bass. I'm going to take a listen to it in a little bit, but for now let's just go over it a little bit more. Now the reason I'm making this video is because this is probably the best alternative you can have to a real JBL Charge. Now Amazon currently sells the real one for $99, and you know what? It's almost identical to this. I've actually owned it before and I could tell you they sound almost alike, and actually I think this one produces a little bit more bass, although it does seem to be a little bit quieter. This one sells for $39 on Amazon right now, so that is a deal and a half. And in case you're wondering, this is splash proof as they claim. All the ports in the back here are sealed with this nice grommet. You have a regular charge output of 1 amp, so you could use this as a charge bank just like the JBL model. You have your regular USB Type-C charge connection here and your auxiliary 3.5 millimeter out. So almost the same, exactly the same ports as the real model here. This one, we're really not gonna do anything with this. I just have this here for demo purposes to show you guys that it sucks. Don't buy this one in case you're looking to spend $30 to $40. At least buy this one if you're looking to save some money and still have style very similar to the JBL Charge itself. Okay, so we just powered on the speaker. It has a nice welcome tone. Let me see if it's connected to my Bluetooth device here. I'm using an iPad. And let's see if it auto connects. And yes, it's already connected. On the actual Bluetooth device, it says SB525. Pretty easy to identify. And let's play some music here and we'll do a little bit of demo of the bass radiators, see if we can get them to move and listen to the actual sound quality itself. Now the song that I am playing, I did mix it myself, so you will not be able to find it anywhere else. Okay. So we are at about 80 to 90% volume. Let's go. I'm now at max volume. Okay, so you heard that sound. Sounds fantastic, even on max volume, which I did there towards the middle. Honestly, there's very minimal distortion. It feels like the speaker has a little bit more power in it, but you know what? At 14 watts, which is what it's claimed to be, so it's driving 7 watts in each, well, you have 14 watts total, so 7 plus 7 in each driver, and you have these two passive radiators. Now the actual JBL Charge is claimed to be 7.5 watts, but you know what, that's basically the same thing. So you know, there for double the price you get 1 extra watt. Although I must say, as I mentioned before, the actual Charge 2 is louder than this one. but the bass and the sound and the quality that comes out of this is just phenomenal. And actually the hand feel is very nice. To me, it feels a little bit heavier than the actual JBL Charge. I did own it, as I mentioned it previously. And let's take a look here at how I kind of poured some water on top of this bass radiator and play the same exact music. Let's see what that sounds like and what it looks like.